We finally got all the additions off this house. I say we, me and the excavator, saved what we could out of the newer parts of this house. But this is what we're after. We're after this 200 and some odd year old log cabin. I'm really happy with the condition of all these logs. All of them are solid. A lot of times we'll get in here and they'll be rotten. They'll be just no good for anything. We're getting ready to knock this thing over. I was actually gonna try to take it down log by log, but as you can see, the roof is so high. I think it's safer just to take it, put it on the ground, and pick through it. All right, let's do this. Hopefully it goes the right direction.
So this is what makes us unique. We don't just go to the lumberyard and buy lumber. We salvage urban timber, and we also take down old buildings all over Southwest Virginia. This is the kind of stuff that we build furniture out of. This is what we use. This is what has made us unique. In this case here, this was an early 1800s log cabin. We've stripped all the additions over the last 120 years away from it. And it's sad when I'm doing this, I'm looking at 150, 200 years ago, all that went into building this home and putting this up and making this a place where somebody's raised children, had families, had a farm. And in 5 minutes, I can take it and push this thing over. But this would have been burnt. This would have fallen to the ground and rotted in place if I didn't take it down and salvage all these beams. This is what we do. It's the kind of stuff that we love to do. It's heartbreaking to see it happen, but we can take them down, we salvage them, and it's not always the size of the dog in the fight, but the fight in the dog.
Not everything goes as planned, but that went as planned. The building's down, start picking through, getting the logs out. I'm happy. I didn't get hurt, the machine didn't get dented up, and this thing's on the ground. And the cows are not happy. For some reason, they're protesting, but yeah, get back at it, get this thing cleaned up, get it back to the shop so we can start making some stuff out of it. If you're interested in to see what kind of furniture we're gonna make out of this and all the things we're gonna be doing with all this reclaimed wood, stay tuned and subscribe.